Did you know your backyard is packed with wild foods that are nutritious, healing, and surprisingly delicious? Today, I'm taking you through 14 wild plants you can actually eat, from forgotten weeds to survival superstars. First up, shepherd's purse. You'd love it because there is money in the purse rich in vitamin K. If you got that joke, then subscribe and once used by German soldiers for wound care. It's a powerful little plant for blood regulation, but now you can even find it as a liquid extract online. Next, the dandelion. Yep, that weed is more nutritious than spinach or broccoli. Every part is edible, and it's loaded with liver-loving compounds. But if you're allergic to latex, watch out for its milky sap. Alfalfa isn't just for livestock. It's packed with calcium, iron, vitamins, and may help manage cholesterol. You can grow it, sprout it, or add it to smoothies. Wild chicory leaves make a zesty salad or even a fermented stock in China. And the root? It's a classic coffee substitute in America. Tune is an Asian favorite, bursting with beta-carotene and protein, but don't be tricked, the plant can make you a total alpha. Traditionally used to support blood sugar and fertility. Young shoots are great in salads, stir-fries, or as pickles. Ever tried fern fiddleheads? Funny name, right? They're crunchy, taste a bit like asparagus, and are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids. Houtuinia cordata, or fish mint, that's a combo I did not expect hearing today, is a perennial herb celebrated in Chinese medicine for its immune-boosting properties. Use the roots or young shoots. Just know it's an acquired taste. Wild garlic brings bold flavor to dishes like Chinese twice-cooked pork. Common purslane is a humble succulent brimming with omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. Just remember, it's high in oxalates, so if you're prone to kidney stones, go easy. Plantago, or great plantain, is a global weed that soothes coughs and fights infection, but skip it if you're pregnant. Wild amaranth is a protein powerhouse that's great for digestion and weight loss. Typha, or cattail, or what I call it wild sausages, is a wetland survival staple. Use the shoots, eat the pollen, and even make fire tinder from its fluff. Siberian elm seed pods are edible and featured in folk medicine for everything from skin to heart health. And finally, wild mushrooms. Some are superfoods, some are deadly. If you're not 100% sure, don't risk it. Curious to learn more? I've dropped resources and seed links in the description so you can start exploring wild foods safely. Remember, foraging is powerful. Never back down. Never give up, but always double-check your finds. And subscribe to this channel.